Good morning, everybody. It's 9:33 and 33 seconds on July 28th. This is the drawing for the Wolverine Frank Miller mini-series 1 through 4 raw copies and the number 1 graded 8.5 signed by Chris Claremont. Over here on the left-hand side are the 13 filled spots. Okay, let's roll our 3 dice. The number is lucky 7. I'm going to randomize 7 times. Name at the top of the list will get the books. I will actually try my best to get them out in today's mail. Normally I don't have time to ship on the weekend, but I might be able to get it done. Worst case scenario, it will ship on Monday. Good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's the final one. 7, spot 10, Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 9:34 and 37 seconds.